Alright, this week I'm unboxing something that's a little too big again for my little area. I'm unboxing the Pikachu and Eevee Pokeball collection, which comes with 5 booster packs, which are random, 2 main cards, and Pikachu and Eevee. This thing is kind of weird. It's not expensive like most boxes of these. Then it cost me a little under $30. I'm pretty sure most of you guys can find it cheaper, but I found this in GameStop, and instead of going around different stores, since I was still Christmas shopping, so I'd get it there. Why not? So let's take this piece of plastic off so we can look at the art a little better. The back is just blank. As you can see, it's like feels like just put wings together really quick. Probably just gonna promote the new game. And we can open this while ripping it. No? They open to the sides. Okay, that's different. Why is there clouds in the back of it? I guess just to keep it, illusion, but I don't care about that. Alright, here we have this thing. We have this part. Whoa. That is a lot of plastic. Pokeball. Cool, we can stand it. Okay. And got all this. Sheesh. 2 cards and the figure. Okay, it feels like they didn't have to put so much box on this. Look at the figure a little quick. I think my light might be a little too bright. Oh, you can see little right here, the stands where it holds it, and Eevee's ear is longer. Of course, they're gonna put Pikachu on top. Yeah, it's Pikachu. Right, look at the card, Eevee card. Just a basic Eevee card. Nothing that special, though it does say it has the weird symbol right here in the bottom. Come on, there. What does that A and that other thing mean? This one's more like, Pokestar symbol, which is normal, but this one is from main set of something. Anybody knows? Or is it that rare? Alright, Pokeball, which doesn't look like, oops, sorry about that. That's doesn't push there, I think. The heck, how you open this thing? I saw a couple of videos of some people opening it, but there's no tape around it. It's just that hard. What the? Whoa. Okay, you gotta be careful. Just that. Alright. Got a Sun and Moon, Last Wonder, Sun and Moon Crescent, Sun and Moon, and X and Y. So they're not from the same booster pack at all. Just get whatever booster pack we have, and Sheesh, and they're kind of like pretty fitting there. And they also got, they do give us this though. It's a code for you guys. Hopefully you guys can tell me if anything good comes out. Nobody writes down what cards they get, or they use the code. Be kind of nice once in a while. Alright, let's just start with these. I like to keep these, so when I put them in a folder, I know which they came from faster. So let's keep going. Game card, code. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and energy card. I've never seen this set, so I kind of know what's in here. Fresh. We'll see if it's worth it. There's hollow, and the rare card is, whoa, full art card. I feel like my lighting is a little off today. Yeah, my hand is kind of covering the shadow. Gotta figure out what to do with that. Cool, it's actually got a pretty rare full art card. Nice. Next one, the same. What is it? Yeah, Lost Thunder set, which I never actually bought anything from this set. Kind of skipped it, I think. Come on out, little parts. Alright. This one's different background. There's a code for you guys? Now I see. Okay, that card is probably worth quite a bit. So this set might be worth. If I get 2 like that, then the whole damn thing is worth it. The reverse hollow is, and rare card is a non-holographic rare card. Alright, that was a bump. Although it started pretty good. I'm surprised. It's been a while that I got a full art card. If that thing is worth at least 20 bucks, then that made almost my entire investment. Alright, here we got with Sun and Moon, Crashy Storms. Okay. Here's your coat. It goes in the trash for me. Because for, you know, the ones I really want in reverse hollow is the energy cards. They're kind of hard to find. That looks like a kid's drawing. Who's in the background? Is that why he's running? That's kind of funny. Reverse hollow is, hey, cool. That's actually pretty good. Ultra Beast. I think it's the first Ultra Beast I got. And GX. Okay, I got my money back already on this stamp box. Pretty quick, actually. Surprise. Cool. So I got a GX. Actually, I got no idea when the full art card started and which set. It started with Sun and Moon, or looks like it started with X and Y. Or even started before that. There's a code for you guys. Let's see. Oops. Upside down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And energy card is a fairy energy. Okay, this one looks like a coloring book. This one looks actually pretty cool. And it's supposed to be more colorful since it's an Alola form. Reverse hollow, horsey, rare card, and non-holographic rare card. Oh well. the other two, I got my investment back if I sell them, and if I keep them a while getting messed up, price should go higher one day. Alright, this is the oldest set. It's from XY series. So if I get a really rare card in this one, it might be worth something. But I'm satisfied with the first set I got, which was a full art card. I can hardly ever get those. I only got like about 4, and I got a lot of cards. And oh crap, I messed it up. Oh well. Wait, when did the energy thing start anyways? Alright. Okay, that looks like a Claydol carrot figure. Mario has a picture of a Claydol. They do that sometimes. Another drawing coloring book. And, oh cool, a break. Okay, this thing is definitely worth to look at it. Oh, I can't even tell exactly what it's supposed to be. Alright, but the rule, you need the real card, then you put this one as part of the card. So there is no energy on this set. So did I start in Sun and Moon? Nice. Definitely earned my money on this thing. Well, if it was like usually these boxes about 60, maybe the lowest $50, then 50-50 if I would earn it maybe or not. But now I definitely did. Alright, so that's the end of the video. Pretty short, but it's thinner. Now this is pretty weird. I think I saw on the Pokemon website, the Pokemon Center online, they're selling these things by themselves with 5 booster packs. Here you get those 2 in this one, and I think they're more expensive by themselves. Was it $20? And I paid $3 for $10 for these 3 things, the figure and the 2 cards. But they got a different Pokeball. I'm gonna find out if they're exactly the same ones. Then maybe I get the yellow Pokeball for decoration. If they're not, then oh well. But this thing is just like that. Although, damn, that's pretty hard to open sometimes. No idea what I'm gonna put in here. The booster packs barely fit in here. They're gonna shove in there, and the cards just like that by themselves. It's not exactly a very safe thing to keep them in. Put it wrong, you bend them, you break them, and since it's not airtight, also there's a chance they're gonna get ruined. See right here, and they're in the bottom. Let me see. So that works. So this is more, I don't know what. Keep the figure in there. I guess that will work. Now you can hear him moving around. It's gonna break the figure too. No idea what I'm gonna use this for. But as for now, just having a giant Pokeball. And I did show the bottom of this thing, did I? That looks cheap actually. The top looks pretty well done, but the bottom looks pretty cheap. What the hell? Heck. Sorry about that. I can't believe I said that. Alright, now I have one question. Anybody knows what the heck that symbol is supposed to mean? A and that weird sun symbol. Number 101A/149. Oh. See you guys next weekend. I got nothing else to say about this box. Got pretty good cards in here. I'm keeping them in here. So I'll buy more of these sets and put them in a folder. Better. And that's just gonna be decoration. These are the XO cards. Alright, see you. Bye bye.